Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick low messy chignon. To start, I'm just going to divide out the hair from the ear forwards and clip this out of the way for later. And repeat this on both sides. I've also left some hair out to frame the face. Next, we're just going to gather all of the remaining hair at the nape of the neck and start tying it into a ponytail. On the last twist of that elastic band, don't pull the ponytail all the way through, and just create a little loop leaving the ends loose. Release those side sections and bring them together at the back of the head just above that chignon. Tie them together with a clear elastic band and then just pop your fingers behind that band and flip the ends through to create a twist. Next, pop a couple of fingers up behind the elastic band and hold onto the tail ends. Rotate your fingers so they're pointing down, and that will create a small hole which we're going to pass that chignon through, and then tighten up that little loop by pulling on the edges of the hair. Pop some texture spray all over the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you, and then gently loosen up the crown by pinching and pulling. And then pinch and pull on those twists to give them a bit of volume. Next, push that chignon towards the head and just secure the top of it to the nape of the neck to keep everything nice and secure. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.